Avid Gun Boss Universal Cable Cleaning Kit cleans every gun you own fast. At its core are two T-handled cleaning cables, one 34 inches, one 9 inches. A single pull through your rifle, shotgun, or handgun puts you back in the action. For big game fans, the kit includes brushes, tips, and patches for .270 through .45 caliber. The kit cleans 22s and 17s lock, stock, and barrel. Shotgunning, the kit contains all required components for 12 and 20 gauge. At the range with your revolver or pistol, no problem. This kit cleans any handgun from 22 through .45 caliber. The Real Avid Gun Boss Universal Cable Cleaning Kit cleans any gun quickly.
Here at Hoppy's, we believe there are 4 major components to complete gun care: cleaning, brushing, drying, and oiling. I'm John Vaca, and I'm here to walk you through it. We're going to start the cleaning process on this semi-automatic handgun. We're going to take the gun completely apart. We're going to start the cleaning process. We've installed our slotted tip. We're installing a clean patch, and we're going to take our M-Pro 7 and we're going to give it a good coating and run it through the bore, making sure that it's coated really good. And while I have the patch wet, I'll always take it and run it down the slide rails to loosen up any fouling that may inhibit the smoothness of the slide action. We've installed our bore brush, and we're going to run it through the bore a couple times to loosen up all that fouling. Now we're going to run our dry swab through the barrel to make sure that everything's knocked out of it. And we're going to finish up by installing our oil swab and running it through last, and that will complete our cleaning process. And for the oiling step, we've chosen the M-Pro 7 LPX gun oil. We'll take the oil swab and run it through the barrel, make sure it's completely coated. And then while I have oil on that, I'm going to go ahead and just swab the slide rails to make sure they've got a nice thin coat of oil in them as well. Now this firearm's ready to go back into the case or back to the range. We've cleaned it, we've brushed it, we've dried it, and we've oiled it. If you'd like more information on any of the M-Pro 7 products you saw today, please visit us at mpro7.com.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.